So hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your girl Precious, and this is part 2 continuing like hygiene haul for women. This is the second part of our hygiene haul for men. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. So right now I'm currently in the oral section, like lip hygiene section. So if I was to shop for a guy, or let's say if I'm shopping for my brother right now, here are quite some things that I would pick up. Some of these are essentials. I really think the basics are like Colgate and the toothbrush, but if you want like an in-depth like hygiene, like oral hygiene, like body wash, everything, I am going to be showing you like everything you need to know. So first of course is the basics, which is like this Colgate. I find that other versions do like if you have a sensitive gum, I wouldn't recommend a lot of the Colgate or even other toothpaste, but this has been so good for my gum. It's like not so tasty, it's like tasteless or something, but yeah, I would recommend this is the Colgate that I would get. And then this toothbrush, because I really don't know if a lot of people would really go into like electric toothbrushes. I really don't use electric toothbrush myself or even my family, and I find that these are really good. You can change them up. So yeah, this is the beginning. And then I would say after you like brush your teeth and like everything, you can go in with the mouthwash to keep your breath smelling amazing. So this brand I would recommend. And also this one, we use this one at home. There is no like very much difference, but this and this on the price point, I think that's where this is more expensive, because this is $13 and this is $3, but this is like really good. It's like floss, of course. Before you even brush your teeth, you can use floss, and then some lip gloss, because you don't really need to have ashy lips. Like ashy lips have never been in style for me, and I don't even know why it took like Rihanna's boyfriend to get the chapstick out for you guys to use it. But anyways, this is like what I would recommend, or even use Vaseline. So on the mouthwash, I already had this for the first part for the ladies, and I feel like you can use the same thing. So basically that's it. Currently I'm going to the body wash, because of course everything starts in the shower. I'm going to the body wash section, and I will recommend from the men's side what I think smells amazing, and I feel like you can't go wrong with the vanilla body wash or like coconut body wash. Any person can use them, and honestly, as a man, there is no problem with smelling both masculine and sweet at the same time. I find that like so intriguing, because a lot of men be smelling like strong cologne. And so if you want to be different, I feel like you can use like, let's say women body wash, like let's say vanilla body wash, and then like after using everything, you can then go and use your strong perfume for like the best mixture of everything. So yeah. These are like currently my favorites after like smelling, and honestly I'll forever be an advocate for Dove everything, because I feel like they are really good on the skin, and this smells amazing. It's like it's giving cucumber version for like also women, and it smells fresh. You cannot go wrong with this. And then this is like a vanilla. I never knew this is, in fact I might even get it for myself, because I feel like men products actually last for quite some time. So this is really like the two body washes I would get. This one for like a sweeter, like more masculine like fragrance, and then this one just like a fresh like body wash for men. I'll try quite some other like products to see, but these are my favorite two for men. I quite like this one, but not that much. But I feel like it's a fair pick. I've seen a lot of guys with Old Spice. My brother uses this mostly, so oh wow, this looks like something that's like so elegant, so bushy. Like it looks like it can be good for the skin. Wow, wow, forget about Lord, Lord, Lord. What is in this? No, honestly, I feel like there should be a scent for this one, because if somebody passed on me smelling like this, like there is no way I can ignore you. So I feel like in everything, like any body wash, I feel like this is my first. This is my second, and they're actually all from the same brand, like this, and then the Dove. So yeah, definitely this. You can choose to go with the soap, or you can choose to go with like a body wash, which I find that a body wash is better. Even when you're showering, you don't leave residue in the washroom. So body wash over soap, but depends on personal preference. This would be my preference for a guy. You do need something to scrub your skin. I wouldn't find like hand gloves, so this was my option. I think this is really good on the skin. It does feel a bit soft, but you can use this definitely to like scrub away some dirt that may be on your skin. So yeah, I went ahead and grabbed this. I think everyone should have just wipes, or like when something spills on you, or like even for the washroom, whichever part. Like I feel like wipes, you can never go wrong with carrying wipes. So yeah, guys, what is this that a lot of body care products for men have 5-in-1, 3-in-1? Are men not really that broke? Why is it that it's only for men that they have like 5-in-1? I don't get it. Oh my days. So you basically, what can you do? A deep moisture, soft skin feel coming. Oh, this is just a scam. It's basically what lotion does, of course. 48-hour deep moisture, soft skin, calming dry skin, and greasy smooth, whatever. But it's just so fascinating that the main products we have gone, they are always showing like 5-in-1, 3-in-1. Like, men have money, they better spend it. For the lotion, I'll go with unscented Aveeno. I feel like this is even good for the skin, whether it's like guys or girls, they can use it. This is like I used to use it. This was really good. And currently I use Cetaphil. I can use it for the body, I can just use it for the face. This is like a very good lotion, and it's like healthy. So yeah, this is what I would recommend for guys. And a body oil is very essential for both men and women. This is like what I would like. Anybody can use any body oil. These are like not so scented, but it's believe in coconut. This is like among all my body oils, I feel like this is the most good smelling like body oil, and this helps like trap in moisture so that your perfume can last for a really long time. So you need this. So good. Have ashy hands, don't talk to me, do not talk to me, do not touch me. So I feel like all guys need a hand cream. Get yourself a hand cream today. So for anybody, I would prefer using like a spray, like a armpit spray, or like deodorant, instead of like having a roll-on. A roll-on is this. And then let me just go. And honestly, for anyone, I would prefer like for anyone that I would be choosing for, I think like spray deodorants are better than roll-ons, because I feel like when you put it on your shirt, it's highly likely that you're going to get like a stained shirt, or when you sweat, it's going to like stain your armpits outfit. So I feel like this is the best option. And then for my, if I was to choose like a roll-on, this one is better than this, but I know men like it with a strong scent, so this one is strong, this one is more like vanilla, but it's a masculine way. And then for like the spray, I really don't like the smell of Axe. I feel like sometimes it irritates a lot of people's stomach. So this one, and it's really not a problem to get like the women's spray, which I feel like all the people can use, like the Dove cucumber spray. This is like so good, and it doesn't really smell, so you're not going to be smelling like woman. You're just going to like trap odor, and like you're not going to smell if you sweat. So these two are my biggest recommendation for guys. And then for the roll-on, you can choose between this. So yeah. So we've come to the end of this video. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Comment down if anything was helpful. And for my guys, let me know what hygiene videos I can do. And so thank you for liking me, for liking my content. Bye bye. Oh, never mind, I just forgot to mention that these are the best razors out there. Please, if you do not go waxing and you still want to have a healthy armpit without bumps and like a lot of bumps, please use these razors. They are very good on the skin, they don't irritate the skin. So yeah, go and get yourself some Equid razors and you won't regret it. All right, bye bye, see you.